Hi, this is José Manuel Díaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia, and today I'm going to show you an apartment in Jesús neighborhood in Mateu Sanz Street, an apartment located very close to the center, just 15 minutes walking to the Plaza del Ayuntamiento, and it's also very well connected with the rest of the city by metro. You are between two metro stations, the Patraix metro station and Jesús, and well, it's also very well connected by bus. And in this neighborhood you have all you need to live in Valencia. You have food stores, you have supermarkets, you have a hospital just 5 minutes walking, and well, it's a good place to live in Valencia. And this apartment, it's a third floor without an elevator, has 6 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, one of them is an en-suite, and I'm going to show you. And this is the entrance door, and here is the door for the bedroom number 1, number 2, and over here you have the living and kitchen area. We start here in the bedroom number 1. This bedroom has a double bed, a mirror, a desk, a chair, a bedside table, a window with exterior views, and a 3-door wardrobe. Next to the bedroom number 1 we have the number 2. Here is a spacious bedroom with a double bed, a mirror, an armchair, a 3-door wardrobe, a desk, a chair, and this bedroom has a private balcony with a table, 2 chairs, and views to the street. Okay. So now we go into the living and kitchen area. Here you have a sofa, a coffee table, a shelf, a flat TV in that wall. You have a table, 4 chairs, and over here you have a closet with a lot of storage space. There you have some cleaning stuff, and this is the kitchen area with a fridge and freezer, microwaves. There you have plates, pots, natural gas water heating system, a sink. There you have more pots and pans, a window with interior patio views, washing machine, gas stove, oven, smoke extractor, and here you have the cutlery and more kitchen stuff. Okay, so here in this area you have a door for the bathroom number 1. This bathroom has a toilet, a shower, a mirror, and a sink. And now we go into the corridor. There you have the Wi-Fi, and the first door on my left is the bedroom number 3. Every bedroom has an independent key to the access. And here in this bedroom you have a double bed, a mirror, a desk, a chair, a window with interior patio views, and there you have a wardrobe with 2 slide doors. So again, in the corridor, next door on my left is the bedroom number 4. In this bedroom you got a mirror, a desk, a chair, a window, a double bed, and a 3-door wardrobe. Okay. Next door, bedroom number 5. And you got a double bed, a bedside table, a desk, a chair, a mirror, a window with interior patio views and a clothesline here, and a 3-door wardrobe. And at the end of the corridor you have the bathroom number 2, the second shared bathroom, with a shower, a toilet, sink and a mirror. And here is the last bedroom, the bedroom number 6. Where you got a wardrobe with 3 doors, a double bed, a desk, 3 people sofa, a window with interior patio views, and this bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with a toilet, a shower, a sink and a mirror. And that was all. I hope you enjoyed. Was José Manuel Díaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Adiós.